Which sentence is correct? A. She don't know the answer. B. She doesn't knows the answer. C. She doesn't know the answer. Fill in the blank. The teacher insisted our punctuality. A. On B. In C. 2. Synonym of elaborate. A. Brief. B. Detailed. C. Simple. Antonym of artificial. A. Genuine. B. Fake. C. False. Analogy. Tree, shade, lamp. A. Light. B. Heat. C. Smoke. Which is correct? A. He has went home. B. He has gone home. C. He have gone home. Fill in the blank. They congratulated her her success. A. For B. On C. About. Synonym of timid. A. Shy. B. Bold. C. Brave. Antonym of expand. A. Increase. B. Contract. C. Grow. Which sentence is correct? A. Each of the books are on the table. B. Each of the books is on the table. C. Each of the book is on the table. Analogy. Bird, wings, fish. A. Fins. B. Scale. C. Tail. Fill in the blank. He is addicted coffee. A. In. B. To see, with. Synonym of chaos. A. Order. B. Disorder. C. Peace. Antonym of victory. A. Defeat. B. Win. C. Success. Which is correct? A. He told me he will help. B. He told me he would help. C. He told me he helps. Analogy. Doctor, patient. Teacher, A. Student, B. Class C, book. Fill in the blank, please comply dash the rules. A. To be, with C, for. Synonym of hostile, A. Friendly, B. Unfriendly, C. Warm. Antonym of permanent, A. Temporary, B. Lasting, C. Constant. Which sentence is correct? A. The furniture are expensive. B. The furniture is expensive. C. The furnitures are expensive. Analogy, ear, hear, eye, A. Look, B. See, watch. Fill in the blank, he is married dash my cousin. A. With B. To see, for. Synonym of diligent, A. Lazy, B. Hardworking, C. Careless. Antonym of ancient, A. Historic, B. Modern, C. Old. Which is correct? A. She doesn't likes reading. B. She doesn't like reading. C. She not likes reading. Analogy, knife, cut, needle, A. So B. Pierce, C. Stitch. Fill in the blank, we should be honest dash our dealings. A. In B. With C. At. Synonym of prosperous, A. Wealthy, B. Poor, C. Needy. Antonym of scarce, A. Abundant, B. Rare, C. Limited. Which is correct? A. Neither the students nor the teacher were present. B. Neither the students nor the teacher was present. C. Neither the student nor the teachers was present. Analogy, sun, day, moon, A. night. B, light. C, dark. Fill in the blank. She is good dash mathematics. A, in. B, at. C, on. Synonym of enormous. A, tiny. B, huge. C, small. Antonym of frequent. A, rare. B, usual. C, common. Which is correct? A, I am used to get up early. B, I am used to getting up early. C, I used to getting up early. Analogy: river, flow, clock. A, run. B, tick. C, move. Fill in the blank. This pen belongs dash him. A, to B, from. C, in. Synonym of vital. A, important. B, useless. C, optional. Antonym of approve. A, accept. B, reject. C, agree. Which is correct? A, the news are interesting. B, the news is interesting. C, the news be interesting. Analogy: book, pages, house. A, rooms. B, doors. C, roof. Fill in the blank. The children are fond dash chocolates. A, in. B, of. C, at. Synonym of melancholy. A, sadness. B, joy. C, happiness. Antonym of include. A, exclude. B, admit. C, insert. Which is correct? A, either Ali or his friends is going. B, either Ali or his friends are going. C, either Ali or his friends be going. Analogy: bird, nest. B, a, hive. B, honey. C, flower. Fill in the blank. The plane took dash on time. A, in B, off C, out. Synonym of obvious: A, hidden, B, clear, C, vague. Antonym of visible: A, invisible, B, seen, C, apparent. Which is correct? A, I am looking forward to meet you. B, I am looking forward to meeting you. C, I look forward meeting you.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.